Maria del Rosario keeps her food fresh using a fridge which runs exclusively on power from the sun. They have no electricity in this rural village in the central Mexican state of Guanajuato, but that doesn't stop her from making fresh and chilled food.
For me, this is very cheap because I use it to keep my fruits and vegetables fresh.
EcoPlanet is a fridge made from clay which doesn't use electricity. It works using solar heat and water to bring down the temperature of food stored inside it, reaching temperatures of between 8 and 14 degrees Celsius.
Es un contenedor externo y uno interno.
It's got an external and internal container. Between them there's sand and gravel and other components. And what it does is when the sand gets wet and is exposed to open air, with the sun and the heat, it provokes evaporation. And that evaporation takes the heat away from the internal container, which is where the drinks and food are, and that makes the temperature to go down.
So far, low-income families in 13 different Mexican municipalities have been given the fridge for free.
Before, the foodstuffs lasted 3 days, 2 days, and they began to go soft. And now they last for 6 days.
But it's not just solar power that's being used. There's also growing use of wind power, biomass, biofuel and geothermal power.
Mexico is an area known as the Sun Belt with the highest radiation worldwide, between the 23rd North Parallel and Equator or the 23rd South Parallel and Equator. It's the area where solar energy appliances can work practically all year.
EcoPlanet's fridges are currently made one by this clay craftsman. After preparing the clay, they mold and bake the fridge's individual pieces. The complete process takes about 15 days. It may not be much by modern standards, but in the scorching Mexican sun, this fridge is ensuring a fresh meal is waiting at the end of the day. Leslie Murungu, CCTV.